Hi everyone! When I return to my home, I'm reminded of amazing places and nice people which I met during my trip to Scotland. And today I would like to tell you about the visiting cards of Edinburgh, Camera Obscura and the World of Illusion. So let's get started, let's go! The Camera Obscura consists of 6 floors, where located a variety of exhibits related to science, as well as various optical and mechanical things that were used during the performance by illusionists and magicians. The museum is located in the central part of the old city of Edinburgh on the Royal Mile. Immediately at the entrance there was a curious exposition, moving patterns, that seemed voluminous. Huge metal balls are littered against the background. And the next one, the mechanical mouse sing the song in unison. The next room is surprising because it contains painting with a secret. When you roll the picture, it begins to change. And instead of one image, you see 2 different ones in turn. The next room plunges us into the world of plasmasphere and the static discharge. Next, we see the exposition of painting with a hidden meaning. I like this version more than the ones I saw at the beginning. The next room is a vortex tunnel. Here you need to cross the bridge. And although the floor is absolutely motionless, rolling around the wall make anyone sit down. There is also a mirror maze. Finding a way out of it for the first time is quite problematic, and after several unsuccessful attempts, you begin to look for a way out by feeling the mirror wall on the labyrinth with your hands. In one of the hall you can see photography of old Edinburgh. You look at these pictures and it seems that they are all postcards and not a real city. The room with a thermal imager was especially memorable. The color effect is simply amazing. High temperature zones are shown in red, the low one in blue, yellow and green are transitional. As a child, I think everyone had the cards that changed when the view angle was changed to the object. So the creator of the camera decided to scare us with such a shocking exhibition. here everyone sees what he wants. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in a new video.